like birds and alligators and get all excited when you see cranes, flamingos, herons, and gators like me, then Everglades National Park is a must visit. This is a very large park, the 10th largest national park in the US, and takes up most of southwest Florida. Everglades has a very fragile ecosystem. The smallest changes in water flow have huge impacts to the ecosystem and wildlife. Just a few inches change in water level can be the difference between life and death for much of the wildlife in this area. There are two must-see sites at Everglades National Park: the Anhinga Trail near the southeast corner and Shark Valley near the northeast corner. The Anhinga Trail is flat, wheelchair accessible with a broad walk over water and paved trail by a pond. It is full of alligators and Anhinga birds, as well as some herons, turtle, and fish. It is a very pleasant 0.8-mile walk with lots to see and many places to stop. This is the best trail at Everglades. This Anhinga bird got a bigger fish than she can handle, and the fish escapes to live another day while the bird goes hungry. Watch. Shark Valley is so full of birds and gators, it almost felt like a zoo, instead of the natural habitat of tropical birds and alligators. The easy way to see Shark Valley is a ride on the tram, but its engine is noisy and smelly, a big detractor to the calm beauty of the Everglades scenery. Hey, National Park Service, it's time for electric-powered trams. The tram will stop when there is interesting wildlife, but have your cameras ready because the moment can be very fleeting. When the tram stops and the engine is turned off, you can hear the birds flapping their wings and really enjoy the gators slithering around with their eyes just poking above water, waiting for the unsuspecting prey. A better way to visit Shark Valley is to ride a bike if you are willing to go the 15 miles round trip. Bikes can be rented at the visitor center and you can stop anytime you want. It's quiet except when the tram goes by, and you can wait for wildlife as much as you want. Halfway around the loop, there's an observation tower that overlooks the Everglades wetlands for a fantastic view. We saw some baby alligators on the path going to the observation tower. Even though they're small, I bet you they can still bite your finger off. Whoa, this alligator looks like she's mad at somebody. I wouldn't go near her right now. Predator and prey at work here. In this case, the bird gets a full stomach and the fish is no more. Nature at work. If you only see two things at Everglades, Anhinga Trail and Shark Valley are the top attractions. But there is so much more. You can paddle nearly 100 miles along the Gulf Coast. You can take a boat tour on the Gulf Coast Visitor Center on the northwest corner of the park. Or you can take a boat tour at the Flamingo Visitor Center on the southwest corner of the park. We are on our way to visit all the national parks in the United States. Follow along by hitting the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is released. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please share it with everybody that you know.